Well, I've been a lawyer for since 1982 and started as a personal injury lawyer and then branched out into the trust and estate and tax world, but continued to do litigation the whole time. And I had my own firm for many, many years, and 3 years ago or so merged with this firm. And at that time, they were the people that I had had cases against for 20 years. And so luckily enough, they have been fantastic to deal with. Even though I only knew them as opponents, they've been just great, and everything's been as smooth as it could possibly be. Well, I guess I have to answer that in two parts. The most rewarding aspect of doing estate planning is assisting clients and their families in figuring out how they can most smoothly transition their wealth from one generation to the next with the least amount of taxes, outside interference, that outside interference being by strangers or the court system or whatever, and doing it in a way that doesn't do more harm than good by passing significant amounts of wealth to the next generation in a way that undermines their own independence and development. As far as the most rewarding part of doing the litigation work, it's in figuring out how to take clients from very difficult and antagonistic situations and get them through it as quickly as possible, and with a result that they're happy with. And that process sometimes involves mediation, arbitration, or court hearings, or settlement among the parties and their lawyers. So there are different ways to get to the end result, but I think when we can get there in a relatively expeditious manner, I think that is something that they really appreciate and that I get a sense of accomplishment from.